Hey friends, if you encounter OBS black screen capture issue, then please watch this video. I'll tell you one thing, I have checked countless resources over this and there is nothing that is a conclusive point, although people say that it was associated with an update. So here's what I suggest. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. If this helps, well and good. If it doesn't help, then straight away go to update history, click on uninstall updates and uninstall the latest update by clicking on the uninstall button. Okay, will this help? Well, in most probability it should. The second one is obviously to right click on display capture and remove it, and then click on plus and then add display capture once again by clicking on this button. So this is what can resolve the issue, and if not, then the last option is to simply reinstall the software, but that is an overkill. But still, search for OBS, select uninstall here and then uninstall the app, and then search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and click on Microsoft Store and then search for OBS here. Always download OBS through Microsoft Store and no other platform. Okay, and then go to OBS and you'll get an install option here. Click on it to install it on your system. Just click on this install button and the rest of the job will be done. Then add all the options once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.